Here we are at Car City, Palatine, 2232 North Rand Road. Wanted to give you a quick look at a 2007 Honda Accord EX Coupe. This is a very well equipped vehicle. It's beautiful and straight. I'll show you quick things on the inside and then take a quick look at all the outside. This is beautiful black leather. It's got the cruise control. It's got the volume controls on the steering wheel. It has the moonroof. Has 6-disc CD player and changer. Dual climate control, where the passenger and the driver can have different temperatures. It's got seat heaters. We don't need those yet, but that's a great feature in winter. But this is a clean car, super clean interior. You can see the nice black interior here. Let me give you a good look. Nice car. This is the Coupe. So I'm going to shut this door. We'll make our way around the car. You can take a look how clean it is. Now let's look inside. Give a nice look down the line on that car. Now let's look inside the trunk. Original floor mats. You can see that was the driver's side. This is well taken care of. This only has just over 130,000 miles on it. You can see the Coupe, those seats do fold down in the back. Let's shut the trunk, give you a good look there. And let's take a look on the driver's side real quick. Let's jump in the driver's side. You can see there are the controls for the moonroof. Nice controls here, steering wheel controls for cruise. Cancel cruise, set cruise, volume, channel, mode for the stereo. Shut the door there. Let you get a good look at it. Nice, clean, straight car. This is the 4-cylinder, so this is going to be super economical. Let me give you a good look under the hood. It's the VTEC 2.4 liter. Great condition. And let me shut this for us. Give you a nice look at this car. 2007 Honda Accord Coupe, leather, XM radio, moonroof, beautiful leather. 4-cylinder, just over 131,000 miles, and we're asking $5,400. We just checked KBB, and that is right on the money for a fair purchase price. Give us a call, come take a look, and we'll be happy to help you here at Car City Inc. That's 847-496-4250. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.